Welcome to Yes, I Can Do It. Transform your financial future. Financial independence starts here.
What's up, everybody? It's Mustafa, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone looking to grow their wealth in the financial markets: the best trading platforms. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, the platform you choose can make or break your trading success. That's why I've put together this comprehensive guide, breaking down the top 8 platforms you need to know about. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 8 trading platforms you need to know about. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, these platforms offer a range of features to help you succeed in the financial markets. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a true titan of the trading world, MetaTrader 4, better known as MT4. It's been the industry standard for Forex and CFD trading for years. This platform is incredibly user-friendly, even if you're brand new to trading. But don't let that fool you. MT4 is packed with advanced features. Think customizable charts, technical indicators, and even automated trading. It's available for both desktop and mobile, so you can trade from anywhere. Another great feature of MT4 is its automated trading capabilities. And for crypto enthusiasts, MT4 supports trading in popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Alright, now let's shift gears and talk about MetaTrader 5 or MT5, the souped-up younger sibling of MT4. It's faster, more powerful, and feature-rich. MT5 builds on MT4 with key enhancements: advanced charting, more time frames, and market depth data, more technical indicators and drawing tools, supports scalping, day trading, and swing trading, integrated tools for Forex, CFDs, stocks, and futures, supports automated trading through expert advisors, wider range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum, a comprehensive platform for all your trading needs. Alright, let's move on to another fantastic trading platform that's been gaining a lot of traction lately: CTrader. CTrader is a modern, sleek, and incredibly intuitive platform for Forex and CFD trading. Its clean and uncluttered interface is user-friendly even for beginners. Known for advanced order management, it offers features like order depth and market depth. Available for both desktop and mobile, you can access your trading account from anywhere. Chapter 4. NinjaTrader. Unleash your inner trading ninja. Now, for all you serious traders out there, let's talk about NinjaTrader. This platform is a beast when it comes to features and capabilities, and it's specifically designed for futures and Forex trading. NinjaTrader is known for its advanced charting tools, market analytics, and lightning-fast order execution. It's a favorite among professional and high-frequency traders who demand the best of the best. One of the standout features of NinjaTrader is its strategy development and backtesting capabilities. It offers a powerful strategy builder that allows you to create and test your own trading algorithms without writing a single line of code. You can backtest your strategies against historical data to see how they would have performed, and fine-tune them to optimize your trading edge. Another great thing about NinjaTrader is its customization options. You can customize pretty much everything, from the layout of your trading dashboard to the colors of your charts and indicators. Overall, NinjaTrader is a professional-grade trading platform that's packed with advanced features. Chapter 5. Think or Swim, the TD Ameritrade Powerhouse. Alright, let's switch gears and talk about a platform that's a bit different from the others we've covered so far. Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade. Now, Think or Swim is a comprehensive trading platform that's renowned for its incredible depth and breadth of features. It's a one-stop shop for all your trading needs, whether you're into stocks, options, futures, or even cryptocurrencies. One of the things that sets Thinkorswim apart is its incredible charting capabilities. We're talking about professional-grade charting tools that rival even the most expensive standalone charting software. You'll find a mind-boggling array of indicators, drawing tools, and customization options, allowing you to analyze price movements with unparalleled precision. So if you're looking for a truly comprehensive trading platform that offers everything you could possibly need, Thinkorswim is definitely worth checking out. Now let's talk about a platform that's become incredibly popular in recent years, especially among the trading community, TradingView. TradingView is a web-based platform that's known for its powerful charting tools, its active trading community, and its wide range of financial instruments. One of the biggest draws of TradingView is its charting capabilities. It offers a vast library of indicators, drawing tools, and chart types, allowing you to analyze price movements in intricate detail. You can customize your charts to your liking, save your layouts, and even share your charts with others. But TradingView is much more than just a charting platform. It's also a thriving social network for traders. You can connect with other traders from around the world, share your trading ideas, and even follow the analysis of experienced traders. This social aspect of TradingView makes it a fantastic platform for learning and improving your trading skills. To start using TradingView, simply head over to their website and create a free account. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, TradingView is a fantastic platform for charting, analysis, and connecting with other traders. All right, let's move on to a platform that's a bit different from the others we've covered so far, eToro. Now, eToro is often referred to as a social trading platform, and for good reason. It's built around the idea of connecting traders from around the world and making investing more accessible and engaging. One of the most popular features of eToro is its copy trading feature. This allows you to automatically copy the trades of experienced traders on the platform. You can browse through the profiles of different traders, see their track records, and choose to allocate a portion of your funds to automatically mirror their trades. But eToro is much more than just a copy trading platform. It also offers a wide range of financial instruments for trading, including stocks, Forex, commodities, and of course, cryptocurrencies. So, if you're looking for a user-friendly platform with a strong social trading component, eToro is definitely worth checking out. Last but not least, let's talk about Interactive Brokers, or IBKR for short. Now, Interactive Brokers is a bit different from the other platforms we've covered so far. It's geared towards professional traders, institutional investors, and high-net-worth individuals who demand the absolute best in terms of execution, pricing, and product range. Interactive Brokers offers a massive selection of financial instruments, covering everything from stocks, options, and futures to Forex, bonds, and even cryptocurrencies. They have access to over 150 markets worldwide, making them a truly global brokerage. One of the key advantages of Interactive Brokers is their low trading commissions and margin rates. They're known for having some of the most competitive pricing in the industry, which can make a big difference to your bottom line, especially if you're a high-volume trader. Interactive Brokers' flagship trading platform is called Trader Workstation, or TWS for short. So if you're a professional trader, an institution, or a high-net-worth individual looking for a robust and comprehensive trading platform, Interactive Brokers is definitely worth considering. So there you have it, folks. Those are 8 of the best trading platforms available today, each offering its unique strengths and features. Remember, the best platform for you will ultimately depend on your individual trading style, preferences, and experience level. It's always a good idea to try out a few different platforms, explore their features, and see which one feels most comfortable and intuitive for you. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which trading platform you're currently using or planning to try out.